Hi, I'm Madonna Guy. I've been in natural therapies for over 31 years. And if you're a woman in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or beyond, this message is for you. Because right now, women are saying all the same things. I'm doing everything right. I'm eating clean. I'm walking. I'm lifting weights. I'm trying to sleep. But my belly won't budge. My body hurts and I feel like I'm falling apart. And the worst part, most women go to their doctors and get told it's just menopause, it's just your age, your bloods are normal, here's a drug, just lose weight. And they walk out feeling dismissed, unheard, and completely alone. So let me tell you something really important. You're not crazy, you're not lazy, and your body isn't broken. It's overwhelmed. So why I understand my world so much is that I didn't grow up in natural therapies. I didn't come from a family of practitioners. I didn't even know what kinesiology, naturopathy, nutrition, massage therapy was. My journey started when my mum developed a rash from head to toe. No one could help her. No one could explain it. And everyone just wanted to give her steroids. And something in me said there has to be more than this. So I signed up for a naturopathic course and then a massage course and then kinesiology, even though I'd never met a naturopath, a massage therapist, or a kinesiologist in my life. I just had this curious brain that needed to understand, why does the body hurt? Why does it hold weight? Why does it shut down under stress? Why do some treatments work when nothing else does? So over 31 years, I've been obsessed with the structural side of things, muscles and fascia, nerves, compensation patterns, stress responses, and the gut-brain axis, the hormonal cascade, the cortisol loop, the inflammation loop. Women come to me when they've tried everything and nothing makes sense anymore. So, firstly, menopause. Let's talk about what's really going on, because it's not just about hormones. It's a whole body shift. Cortisol goes up, stress hormones rise, your body goes into survival mode, and survival mode equals store fat, especially around the belly. Tummy fat increases inflammation. It increases aches and pains, stiffness, sore hips, sore back, sore legs, feeling like you're 90 when you get out of bed. Sleep becomes broken, and when sleep goes down, cortisol goes up even more. It's a really vicious cycle. The nervous system becomes jumpy, and women say, I feel wired and tired. I can't switch off. My body won't relax. My brain won't stop. And yet the brain feels foggy, and then the gut starts to change. We've got bloating and slower digestion, food sensitivities, and inflammation that spills over into the whole body. And then the metabolism slows, not because you're doing anything wrong, but because your body is trying to protect you. And here's the truth. No one tells women. You cannot outwalk, out-diet, or out-exercise a stressed, inflamed, exhausted body. You can do 10,000 steps. You can lift weights. You can eat clean. You can do everything perfectly. But if your cortisol is high and your inflammation is high, if your sleep is broken and your nervous system is overloaded and your gut is inflamed and your hormones are shifting, your body will hold on to weight like your life depends on it. Because to your body, it does. So why do so many people feel dismissed? My women come in telling me, I went to my doctor and all they offered is a drug, an antidepressant, an anti-anxiety drug, a drug for thyroid. No one ever explained why my body feels like this. No one connects the dots. No one looks at the whole picture. And that's why women end up feeling lost and frustrated, ashamed and confused, exhausted, and feeling like they're doing something wrong. You're not doing anything wrong. Your body is overwhelmed and it needs support, not blame. So what I do now. So after 31 years, my work is about helping people understand. I love helping women understand why their body's inflamed, why their nervous system is stuck in survival, why their metabolism is slowed, why their sleep is broken and their belly won't shift, why their pain is worse, and why they feel like they're carrying 20 kilos of emotional weight. And most importantly, how do we get out of stress mode so it can finally let go of the weight, the pain, and the exhaustion? I don't offer magic bullets. I don't offer quick fixes. I don't offer medical advice, but what I do is help women understand their body so they can finally feel at home in it again. If you're a woman who feels stuck, you're in the right place because your body isn't fighting you, it's protecting you, and it needs the right support, the right understanding, and the right tools. So in comes triGLP. How does this help fix all of this? It's not a cure, but it is amazing for all of the mechanisms in the body that it actually does help. Dizziness, stubborn weight, menopause symptoms, aches and pains, poor sleep, bladder issues, inflammation. They're not random. They all come back to the same overloaded systems. The nervous system, the gut-brain axis, inflammation, cortisol and stress hormones, blood sugar swings, and mitochondrial fatigue. This is exactly where triGLP gives support. triGLP doesn't treat dizziness or pain or menopause. That's not what it's for, but it supports the underlying systems that are driving all of those symptoms. Here's how. 1, it calms the nervous system. A lot of dizziness in women is actually the vestibular and vagus and stress nervous system. triGLP helps to stabilize the gut-brain signaling, which can help the body feel steadier, calmer, and less reactive. 2, it reduces inflammatory load. Inflammation is behind aches and pains, stiffness, headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. So when your inflammation drops, the whole system becomes more stable. 3, it supports gut repair. So many women have gut inflammation, poor absorption, bloating, food sensitivity, and vagal nerve irritation. triGLP supports gut lining repair and calmer digestion, which often reduces all of our triggers. 4, it helps to balance blood sugar and cortisol. Blood sugar swings can cause dizziness, shakiness, anxiety, cravings, stubborn belly fat. But triGLP helps to smooth out those metabolic ups and downs, which helps the nervous system feel safer. 5, it helps shift the body out of survival mode. So when your body is stuck in high cortisol, poor sleep, inflammation, hormonal chaos, it holds weight, especially around the middle. triGLP helps the body feel calmer and more regulated, and that's when weight finally starts to shift. And 6, it supports mitochondrial steadiness. Fatigue, dizziness, brain fog, these things come from mitochondrial overload. triGLP supports a more efficient energy production, which helps the whole system feel more stable. So whether your symptoms are coming from your vestibular pathways, stress, hormones, inflammation, or your gut, triGLP supports the underlying systems that keep everything stable. It doesn't force anything. It simply helps your body work the way that it's meant to. And when the nervous system calms down, inflammation drops, the gut repairs, and cortisol steadies, women finally feel like themselves again. Hope this was useful. If you know someone who could do with this information, please share, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.